Mike has a long train ride today. He needs to be at the station before noon. He arrives a little early. He has a few minutes before his train leaves. Near his platform, there is a small shop. It sells bento boxes for people going on long trips. Mike always buys the same bento here when he travels. He walks into the shop and goes to the shelf. His usual bento is not there today. Someone bought the last one. He looks at the other boxes. There are many different kinds. Each box has a picture on the front. The pictures show what is inside. He picks up one box and looks at the picture. It looks a little like his usual one. He reads the name on the front, but he does not know it. He thinks for a moment. Close enough. He puts the box in his bag. He pays at the counter. There's a short line, but it moves quickly. He walks to the platform. His train is already there, waiting. He finds his seat by the window. He puts his bag on the shelf above his head. The train starts to move. The station slides past the window and disappears. He takes out the bento box and puts it on the small tray in front of him. He opens the box. The food inside looks different from his usual bento. It is arranged in small sections. He lifts the little lids one by one. In one section, there is a small round thing. It is dark and a little shiny. He does not know what it is. He eats it anyway. It is sweet, a little salty too. He likes it. He eats the rice and tries the other dishes. Everything is good. He finishes the last thing in the box. He puts the lid back on. He looks out the window. The fields outside are wide and flat. He does not know the name of that small round thing. He thinks about it for a moment. Then he stops. He looks back at the window. The train is still moving. The sun is warm on the side of his face. It was a good lunch. He thinks he will try that bento again next time.